One of the 7 natural laws, and the most important one, is the perpetual transmutation of energy, which simply means an idea put into the physical form. Kathleen here, Chief Manifestation and Success Coach, CEO and founder of Diamond Academy. I am here today to tell you my 3 best tips in manifesting $1 million. The key here that no one understands is that it is the exact same process to manifest $1,000 than it is $1 million. Nothing has a value. Nothing is big or small until we place it on it. So my first tip is so simple and so easy. You can do this. You know how to daydream. You know how to see yourself on a beautiful yacht or living on a beautiful beach with the ocean waves as you fall asleep. So what I want you to do is I want you to create in your imagination your millionaire identity. So when you have millions of dollars, how do you think? How do you behave? And how do you show up? You are likely somebody who is incredibly confident, disciplined, you're a powerhouse, and you show up every single day in every single way. So I want you to show up that way now. That is how you manifest the $1 million from your millionaire identity. It's literally that simple. My second tip is this. In order for you to manifest the money that you desire, there needs to be a need for it. So what I want you to do is really think about, why is it that I want this amount of money? What am I gonna do with it? How am I gonna use it? How is it gonna impact my life? How am I going to impact others by having this kind of money? The important thing that you do is that you have a clear, crisp, specific plan for what you're going to do with the money. It really isn't the actual dollars that we want, because prosperity is what we have after our money is spent. So we are looking for financial freedom. We are looking for time freedom, which comes through money. So it's important that you know exactly what that money will do for you, how it will be used, what kind of impact you're going to make, and that's how it's going to come to you faster. And my final tip in manifesting $1 million is you need persistence. Lack of persistence is the #1 reason for failure amongst people in the world, and it has been for hundreds of years. The opposite of persistence is procrastination. So if you're a procrastinator, it's very unlikely that you're going to achieve the success that you hope for. So I want you to persist in the attainment of your goals, persist in the attainment of your $1 million self until it shows up in the physical form. It is by law. What does that mean? One of the 7 natural laws, and the most important one, is the perpetual transmutation of energy, which simply means an idea put into the physical form. So if you hold that idea, you believe in that idea, it will by law come into the physical form. And this is what I have found. So you will persist until it happens. You will have faith and knowing it's on its way, and you will be so grateful for what is coming to you that it feels like you already have it. If you are somebody who loves this way of thinking, then I want you to subscribe to my channel. I am going to continue to share knowledge, information, and value that is going to help you to change your life through your thinking. So we can't ask for life to be better. We have to ask for us to be better. And I'm going to teach you how to do that as you follow along with me on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok, on Clubhouse, wherever it is you want to find me, because I am sharing this to the world.